Hello my children, welcome to our YouTube channel Roy Digital Children Teaching Center. Today we will discuss about the new chapter, that is simplification. It is a very small and simple chapter. Before doing simplification, we have to remember a rule, that is V Badmash rule or Badmash rule. V Badmash rules means V for vinculum, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Okay. Now I hope you already understand what is V Badmash. V Badmash means it is the short form. Okay. Vinculum means sometimes you have seen this type of simplification. 3 into 4 minus 2 and a line draw above them. Okay. What is the line? The line is called bar and the math is called vinculum math. Okay. After doing vinculum, we have to do the bracket. This is the first bracket, it is the second bracket and it is the third bracket. After doing bracket, we have to do the off. Off means multiplication. Sometimes it is written in the simplification, that is 3 of 4. It means 3 into 4. Okay. Then you have to do the division portion. Division portion, then multiplication portion, then addition, then subtraction. Okay. You have to follow the rule to do the simplification in the correct way. Okay. Next, go to the our question. The question is 2 whole 2 by 7 plus 4 whole 3 by 7. Now we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. What is mixed fraction? What is improper fraction? If you want to know it clearly, then you have to check our fraction videos. Okay, and in this video I will mention the link in our description box. To convert into improper fraction, first we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number, then we have to add the numerator. Okay, and here I do this. Okay, 2 into 7 plus 2 by 7 and 4 into 5 plus 3 by 5. 2 7s are 14 plus 2 by 7, 4 5s are 20 plus 3 by 5. 14 plus 2, 16 by 7 and 20 plus 3, 23 by 5. Okay, now we have to find out the LCM of 7 and 5. Look the numbers, they are prime number. Already we complete our class regarding the prime number chapter. If you want to know that, then you have to watch our number system videos. Okay, I will also mention the link in our description box. When the prime numbers are given, then simply we have to multiply them and the product is our LCM. Okay, here we write the LCM in the denominator part. Now what we have to do? We have to divide the 35 by the given denominators. First I divide 35 by 7 and we got 5. Now I multiply the 5 with the given numerator, 16 into 5. Then I divide the 35 by 5 and I get 7. Now I multiply 7 with 23. Okay, 16 5s are 80 and 23 7s are 23 into 7. 7 3s are 21. I carry 2 here. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, it is 16. Okay, 161 plus 80 means 1. 8 plus 6 14. I carry here 1. Now 1 plus 1 2 and the answer is 241 by 35. As it is a improper fraction, means the numerator is greater than the denominator, then we have to turn it into the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it is the combination of a whole number and the proper fraction. Proper fraction means when the numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, now turn it into the improper fraction. 241 is divided by 35. 35 6 are 210 and we subtract them 1 3. Okay, here we got our answer. Now the quotient is the whole number, the remainder is our numerator and the divisor is our denominator, and we write it here 6 whole 31 by 35. Okay, go to the next question. It is also the subtraction of mixed fraction. 2 whole 4 by 9 minus 1 whole 7 by 8. As similar, first we have to convert it into the improper fraction. To convert it into the improper fraction, we multiply the whole number and denominator and then we add the numerator. That is why we written here 2 into 9 plus 4 by 9 and minus 1 into 18 plus 7 by 18. Okay, 9 to the 18 plus 4 by 9 and 18 was 18 plus 7 by 18. Now we add the numbers. 18 plus 4 is 22 by 9 and 18 plus 7 is 25 by 18. Okay, here we got our fraction. Now we have to find out the LCM of 9 and 18. Okay, now we divided them by 3. Why we divided them by 3? If you want to know that, you have to watch our tricks for divisible of whole number video. Okay, now I divide the number by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. Now I divided them by 3 again. 3 1s are 3 and 2s are 6. Now I multiply all the number. 3 into 3 into 1 into 2 and the answer is 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Okay, and the LCM is 18. After getting LCM, here we write our LCM in the denominator part. Now we have to divide the LCM by the given denominators. We divide 18 by 9 first and we get 2. Now we have to multiply 22 into 2. Then we divide 18 by 18 and we get 1. Now we multiply 1 with 25. 22 to the 44 and 25 ones are 25. Okay, now we subtract 25 from the 44. Okay, as 4 is smaller than 5, then I borrow 1 from the 4 and I write here 14. Okay, 14 minus 5 equal to 9 and 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Right? That is why I write here the answer is 19 by 18. As it is a, and look at the fraction, as it is a improper fraction, we convert it into a mixed fraction. Okay, let's convert it. 19 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18 and we get the 1 as remainder. Okay, I write here 1 whole 1 by 18. Okay, and it is our final answer. Okay, let's see our next question. Here we solve the bracket problems and it is first bracket, it is second bracket and it is third bracket. First we have to do the first bracket, then second bracket and the last we have to do the third bracket. Okay, the question is 10 into 7 minus third bracket 4 plus second bracket 10 minus first bracket 4 minus 2 first bracket second bracket 2 and third bracket. Okay, look here carefully. There is no symbol here. It means here we have to multiply them. Sometimes examiner give you this type of question and it means the multiplication. Okay, let's solve the question. First we have to do the first bracket. We write here all the numbers, then I subtract the 4 minus 2 and we get 2 here. Okay, now we have to solve the second bracket. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Now here I write 8. Now we solve the third bracket. Here the two symbols are present, that is plus and multiplication. According to the Bodmas rule, we have to do the multiplication first, then we have to do addition. Then 18 to the 16 and here I write 4 plus 16. Now we add 4 plus 16 and we get 20 here. According to the Bodmas rule, first we do the multiplication and then we do subtraction. 10 into 7 equal to 70 minus 20 and here we write 70 minus 20 equal to 50. Okay, let's see our next question. The question is first bracket 40 minus 20 into 2, then first bracket 12 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. Okay, and look at the question carefully. There is also no symbol is here. It means it is multiplication. Okay, now solve the sum. We divide 40 by 20 and we get 20 here. Okay, but next here we do multiplication first. Actually here I solve the simplification according to the Bodmas rule, but here the multiplication is mentioned first and then the division, and in these cases, in these exception cases, we have to do the multiplication first, then we have to do the division. Then we multiply 12 into 2, we get 14, divide by 6 and plus 2. Then we multiply 20 into 2, that is 40, and 24 divided by 6, we get 4 and we get plus 2. Okay, as there is no symbol is present, it means off, it means the multiplication. That is why I write here 40 of 6, it means 40 into 6, and after doing multiplication we get the 240, our answer. Okay, let's see the word problem. The first question is, you painted 1 by 8, 3 by 16 and 1 by 14 part of a wall in last 4 days. How much will have to work to finish it? Okay, in these cases, first you have to suppose the let work be 1. Okay, the whole work is 1. Therefore, the total amount of work you done in last 4 days, then you have to add all the part. Then 1 by 8 plus 3 by 16 plus 1 by 4. First we have to find out the LCM of this number. The numbers are 8, 16 and 4. Okay, I write here 8, 16 and 4. I divide all the numbers by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. Now I divide them by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Now I divided them by 2 again. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 1 I write here. Now we have to multiply all the number. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 1s are 16. Okay, our answer is 16. The LCM is 16 and I write here 16 in the denominator part. Okay. Now we have to divide the 16 by all the given denominators. Okay, let's divide the numbers. First we divide 16 by 8 and we get 2. Okay, now we multiply 2 with 1 and 2 1s are 2. Now we divide 16 by 16 and we get 1. Okay, 3 1s are 3. Okay, I write here 3 here. Now we divide 16 by 4 and we get 4. And 4 1s are 4. And now we add all the number. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9 and I write here 9 by 16. Okay, actually we complete the painting of the 9 by 16 part. And how much work is left? As the total work be 1, that is why we divide 9 by 16 from 1. Okay, then we have to do the LCM. Suppose there is 1 in the denominator parts and the LCM is 16. When we divide 16 by 1, we get 16 and 16 into 1 means 16. Then we divide 16 from 16 and we get 1 and 9 1s are 1. Okay, when we subtract 9 from 16, we get 7 by 16 and the work left is 7 by 16 part. When I arrange the math in the simplification form, then it will look 1 minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 16 plus 1 by 4. First we write the LCM here, then we divide the LCM by the given denominators and then we multiply with the numbers. Okay, and then we get 1 minus 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 16. Then we add all the numbers and then we get 1 minus 9 by 6. Then we LCM the numbers and we get 16 here and then we divide the 16 by the given denominators and then we multiply the number and we write here 16 minus 9 and after subtracting the number we get our answer, that is 7 by 16. Okay, let's see our next question. 7 by 12th part of your water bottle is filled. You drink 4 by 6th of the filled water. How much water is left? Okay, water bottle is filled 7 by 12th part. I drink water 4 by 6th of the filled water. The remain water is, look at the sentence carefully. Here it means I drink 4/6 of the filled water. Of means here multiplication. We already know that. That is why we multiply 7/12 into 4/6 and we get the divisible number here. We divide 4 by 4, we get 1. Now we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. Okay, 7 ones are 7 and 3 6 are 18. And the remaining water is 7/18. We have to find out how much water is left. And in the question they are mentioned the water bottle is filled 7/12 and the remaining water is 7/18. Now we have to find out the LCM of 12 and 18 and we divide them by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18. I divide them by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we multiply the number 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay, we got our LCM and I write the LCM here. After getting LCM, we have to divide the LCM by the given denominators. And 36 divided by 12, we get 3 here, and that is why write here 7 into 3. Then we divide 36 by 18, we get 2. 7 into 2. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14 by 36, and when we subtract 14 from 21, we get 7. Okay, that is why I write here 7/13. And when I present the math or sum in the simplification form, then we write it in this way. Second bracket 7/12 minus first bracket 7/12 into 4/6. Right? And we solve the question according to the simplification rule. How we solve the question? First we solve the first bracket problem, and after cutting the numbers we write the 7 into 1 and 3 into 6. Now we multiply all the numbers, and after multiplying we get 7/18. Now we find out the LCM and we write here the LCM, and after getting LCM we divide the LCM by the denominators and we get the answer, and then we multiply with the numerator. And after doing all this we get 21 minus 14 by 36. Then we subtract the number and we get 7/36. Okay, I complete here the chapter. If there are any queries and questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve your queries. Okay, let's see our next chapter.